I was actually on the telephone this morning with an insurance company adjuster who was telling me that my client's claims of injury were not valid because my client had suffered similar injuries in the past. Many people mistake the term pre-existing condition to mean that once you've been injured in that part of your body, you can never make a claim for any other injury from that point going forward. And as I explained to the insurance company adjuster, quite forcefully I might add, the fact that somebody has suffered an injury does not insulate them against future injury. If you have been subjected to injury because of trauma to any part of your body, that part of your body is not stronger because of the injury, it's made weaker, which means that it's more vulnerable to being injured even worse by subsequent trauma. So contrary to the idea by the insurance companies that somehow once somebody has a pre-existing condition or a pre-existing injury that they're insulated from injury, they are actually made vulnerable to greater injury. And to the extent that we can prove that trauma has caused a worsening of a condition, aggravation or exacerbation of a condition, or further limitation and pain that our client suffers, those are compensable damages, including medical care that had not been contemplated before. So one example is that a client who has a bad back but has never been given a surgical recommendation before, gets in an automobile accident in Tampa Bay, and then the doctor says they have to have surgery. It doesn't matter that they had a bad back before. That surgery and all the medical expenses associated from the new accident are completely compensable, regardless as to whether or not the client had pre-existing conditions.